Sometimes the simple things are the hardest to draw. A heart shape, for example. Deceptively simple, but it's so easy to mess it up. My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to draw a heart on Envato Tuts Plus. Draw two identical circles side by side. Cross them with two lines to divide them into quarters. Draw a line under the circles, connecting their vertical middle lines. Draw another line down from the middle of it. It should be slightly shorter than the diameter of the circles. Draw a horizontal line below and enclose it with two vertical lines touching the sides of the circles. Divide each half of the rectangle into halves and make the line under the circles longer. Draw a horizontal line in the middle of the inner rectangle. Divide the extension of the line under the circles into thirds. Draw the outline of the heart through the guidelines. Draw a huge circle almost covering the heart, slightly shifted to the right. Draw two more circles on its top and bottom. The top one should be bigger. Outline the circles. Outline the upper part of the heart. Sketch the oval base of the pulmonary artery. Sketch its general shape and direction. Add some thickness in the branching. Draw both ends of the artery. Copy the side of the base oval all along the guidelines to figure out the final shape. Outline the artery. Draw the aorta using the same method. The aorta has some branching on top. Don't forget about the vena cava. Add some pulmonary veins to make the heart more detailed. Add some small arteries and veins on the surface of the heart. Outline the basic shape of the heart. Outline the pipes. Add some thickness to the openings of the pipes. Draw the base of the pipes. Outline the blood vessels. Add some subtle shading made with lines to accentuate the 3D form of the heart. You don't have to copy me directly. Feel free to apply your own method of shading in this step. By adding more lines on the surface of the heart, you can make it look darker. This way, you'll create contrast between the heart and the veins, making the whole image more visually appealing. Now you know how to draw a heart from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and happy April Fool's Day!